Assalamualaikum selamat sejahtera. Nama saya Muhammad Abdul bin Zainal Abidin. Ini saya terangkan tentang open source operating system. First sekali definition open source initiative OSI. Open source doesn't just mean access to the source code. The distribution term of open source software must comply with the following criteria such as free distribution. The license should not restrict any party from selling or giving away the software as component as of an aggregate software distribution containing program from several different source code. The program must include source code and must allow distribution in code as well as compile form. Second definition, free software foundation. The free software foundation was established to encourage the development of free software. The free software movement, which liberate users to freely create and share their software and program, was a major driver behind this foundation. FPS primary objective is to instigate the rejection of proprietary software that cannot be shared, published, and altered legally. GNU General Public License (GPL). The GNU General Public License, often shortened to GNU GPL, lists terms and conditions for the copying, modification, and distribution of open source software. The GPL was created by Richard Stallman in order to protect GNU software from being proprietary. GNU Lesser General Public License. The license allow developer and company to use and integrate a software component released under LGPL into their own software without being required by term of a strong copyleft license to release the source code of their own component. Berkeley Software Distribution License. BSD license are low restriction type of license for open source software that does not put requirement on distribution as a low restriction and requirement license type. Berkeley source distribution based license are used for distribution of many freeware and shareware and open source software. Apache license. The Apache license is permissive free software license written by the Apache Software Foundation (ASF). It allows users to use the software for any purpose, to distribute it, to modify it, and distribute modified version of the software under the term of the license without consent for royalty. Mozilla Public License. The Mozilla Public License (MPL) is a free and open source with copyleft license for most Mozilla Foundation software such as Firefox and Thunderbird. The MPL license is developed and maintained by Mozilla. Difference between copyright and copyleft. Copyright prevent unauthorized copying and selling of your work. Copyleft method allow you to modify the software or documentation and distribute it back to the open source community. Copyright is original and not copy of other. Copyleft come with an idea of collaboration. Copyright protect original idea from other access. Copyleft allow to change other idea and give them back. Copyright granting in the individual permission. Copyleft about user freedom. History of Linux. Linux computer operating system created in early 1990 by Finnish software engineer Linus Torvalds and Free Software Foundation (FPS). While still a student at University of Helsinki, Torvalds started developing Linux to create systems similar to Minix, a Unix operating system. In 1991, he released version 0.02, version 1.0 of the Linux kernel. The core of the operating system was released in 1994. Advantage of Linux: available for everyone to contribute, modify, adjust the code. Second, Linux is less vulnerable and more secure than Windows operating system. Third, older and obsolete computer can be revived by Linux, which utilize outdated system like firewall, backup server, login system. Fourth, software update in Linux are easier and faster than Windows. Five, customization allow user to add icon theme and wallpaper, and to easily add or delete feature as needed. there are many Linux distribution. Many programs use Linux, so a lot of online help is available for error and scenario. Various type of Linux distribution. First Debian, second Gentoo, third Ubuntu, fourth Linux, Mint desktop, 5 RHEL Linux distribution, 6 Sun OS Linux distribution, 7 Fedora Linux distribution, 8 Kali Linux distribution, 9 Arch Linux, 10 open source. Right, that's all. Thank you.